Hey man, what's wrong?
My girlfriend just broke up with me.
I'm sorry.
I've never been so lonely and depressed in all of my life.
You know what? I know something that'll make you feel a whole lot better.
What's that?
You don't have to be lonely anymore.
Since then, I never look back. It's almost like living a dream. And ooh, I love you. And as my head was spinning round, I gazed into your eyes and thought, ooh, I want you.
Take 3. Oh, ano problema?
Okay na, nag-away na lang naman ni Dada.
Ganun ba?
Sa araw-araw nang ginawa ng, ewan ko ba, lagi na lang kaming ganito.
Alam mo, alam ko na ako anong sagot mo dyan sa problema mo.
Ano?
Hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yan.
Oo. Mas masarap sa Bud Light.
Garantisado. Gawang Pilipino.
Sige, subukan natin.
Since then, I never look back. It's almost like living a dream. And ooh,